How to delete your Ola account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Ola account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to delete your Ola account, simply go ahead and open up your Ola. Then what you want to do is, once you open up and log into your account, unfortunately I'm unable to log in here, but once you're logged in, you want to tap on the profile icon. Once you're on the profile, you can simply head into the account option under settings, or you can head into account settings option. There you shall find the option remove account or delete account. You're going to simply tap on delete account option, go ahead through certain prompts, verify or confirm it, and once you have done so, you'll be able to delete your account. So this is how you can easily delete your Ola account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.